The Typewriter by Bill Thomason. While Jackson, Carson, and Alex were riding their bikes to the merry-go-round, they found out that it was closed. Carson discovered something unusual. Carson told her friends what she saw. They were stunned about what she saw. They all took it down and figured out it was a typewriter. Alex knew how to use the typewriter. His grandpa showed him how to use it. Alex asked Carson for some paper, and she always has extra pieces of paper. Carson typed a random word to see what happened. The kids started to play around with the typewriter. As she entered the word, poof, came the beach. Now I'm going to turn this into my feet. Yeah. Then, so where did you start? Okay.
They were stunned and wanted to try more. Alex typed in a beach ball to play with while Carson and Jackson were playing with the crab. Carson loved playing volleyball, not just regular volleyball, competitive volleyball. Jackson was craving ice cream. As he was licking his lips, he typed in ice cream. A big ice cream cone poured out of anywhere. They were so excited. Super excited. Carson wanted to get revenge on Jackson. She typed crab to see what happens. Alex and Jackson were enjoying their food. They just saw a big crab over their head. And now I switch the book to Manuel.
Just switch to the next page.
Next page.
Okay. The boys ran for their lives. They were so scared.
Just go. Continue.
Jackson thought he was almost going to die. Because
You know you can hold it up like this.
I can't read upside down.
Okay,
No,
like that.
Okay. Jason though he was almost going to die because the crab was over his head. The kid ran fast as they could. Carson as first to each the type. Right, she had the word big wave.
Ew.
Oh my God.
That at the time a big wave came and took the crab away. Carson had another good idea. She saw the crab went away.
Anaya, where did you come from?
The kids were happy
Huh?
about the crab going away.
Oh.
They were done for the day. She typed the end. Everything just disappeared. Everything went back to the cold. They put the typewriter back on the B. They let their roll on their B and rode back home. Oh, Jackson put everything up and safely put the temperature up. The end.
Now, what is the book about? You can flip the page. Flip the book. It has the main idea on the back. Right there, main idea. No, not at the back. Go
On the
back in the front.
On the page like that. but
Go on the front.
They're gonna edit this out because I don't.
What is the main idea?
The main characters are Jackson, Carson, and Alex. The main idea is Jackson, Carson, Alex found a magic typewriter and they had a blast with it. The typewriter cup appeared many things you asked for. The end.
Now, what's your Instagram?